this is the Brutus machine. Today I want to describe the machine and say some words about it. So maybe we will start from add the air and power supply to see how it works. Machine need air to work, so we connect it over there, and we also connect the power supply 24 volts over here. And how we know if machine is working? When everything is fine, we have the green light over there, so it means the machine is connected. Now we need to set up 6 bars over here, so we pull up and move forward. We look at the red sign, okay? So we set up 6 bars and close. Now this is connected. As we can see, this engine is keep working because over here we have sensor, so if it will be fulfilled by tobacco, the sensor will send the signal to engine and this part stops moving. Before we start, we just need to take care about this spring over here, okay? We have 2 springs, one is more strong and second one is strong less. I prefer to use the more strong spring, but it depends from many things, okay? So just put here, and now we need to set up how strong the spring is over there. We have a screw over here, we lose the screw, and now we can set up how strong the spring must be, okay? Don't set up too strong, okay? Just set up and block. Be careful about, don't screw too hard, okay? Okay, now we can check if it's good. To check if the spring is set up correct, need to put the tube over here. Now we can just push and turn right to block the pneumatic cylinder like here, and then we can check if it's good, okay? If the spring keep the tube good, okay? This is strong, okay, because it's cut the paper, but usually it don't mind, okay? Yeah, this is automatic job, this is manual job, okay? One piece. This is tube. You make tube and one piece, okay? This is always work, yeah? Just tube and one piece. The second button. The third button is to set up shaking the tobacco, okay? Oh no, this is the fourth one. The second one is for tubes, fourth one. Can be 3 times, can be 1 time, can be 2 times, or can be 3 times. The machine saves the settings, so after setup it will be working like this in an automatic options, okay? I usually prefer 2 times, so you can try with that. Also, I want to say all the adjustments it's the best to make with the empty machine with no tobacco, because if we play with this or with this, we can easily stock the machine with tobacco. So just make the adjustments with no tobacco inside. And last button is from cleaning. This is used not too often, because if machine gets stuck, we usually need to clean it manual. I will show it in another movie. To go out from the cleaning mode, we need to turn off machine and turn on again. Okay, this is assembler for the tubes. Until here we load it manual. After we can just load it with using some tool. Okay, so until here we load like this. And now I will show how to lower the tube after we fill over there. We need some plate, it can be like metal or wood. Just make sure the box is full, okay, of cigarettes. Put like this. I put it like that. And here we are, all the box inside. It needs some practice, but after some time this is very easy and good method to lower the tubes over there. Okay, now we say something about make cigarettes finally and regulation. If we move right, cigarettes is more strong, left is less strong. You see this metal plate is moving. We turn left, this one go forward, less tobacco goes in. Right, it's more open. It's always better to start from lower, okay? And if cigarette is too soft, just turn right, like not too much, okay? This is, we need to feel how it works. So first we need to, most important thing, check the tobacco moisture. So we sure like moisture meter. Some moisture meter have like several modes, A, B, C, D. Always use A mode, okay? Just make sure, or you will have wrong measure. So to measure tobacco, just make it like this and put it up here. It's like level 4, 11% is good. It's alright, okay? Usually the tobacco must have from 11 to 14%, okay? This is the tobacco we need to have to keep. Okay, as I said before, when we add tobacco, this part will stop moving, so this is what we are doing now. Okay, the sensor is covered with tobacco, so it stops working. For first cigarette I make one piece, so 3 and 2. The first cigarette is never true fourth, so make second one, okay? Yeah, no bad, okay, just it's okay. But before automatic jump, just make several. Okay, this one looks okay, yeah? I can make it a bit more tough, turn right, okay? More open, more. Yeah, the cigarette is full filled, okay? Our tobacco, we can start automatic. And our only job is to pick up cigarettes and put into the box, yeah? Okay, stop machine pushing the same button, and need to take out the cigarettes. And don't leave a machine with the tobacco inside, okay? Every time after finish work, just make it empty, okay? So okay, now to make sure this is done, just manual job, okay? Several times. Okay, there is one more thing we can do from time to time over there. I will show it. We need the first one, push and move, okay? We need to look inside there and clean, because very often tobacco stalks there and something blocks. So From time to time, after finish a job, just clean there, leave the machine empty, and that's it. Okay. So this is how it works. Machine have the tobacco counter now.